Today I'm going to be reviewing Artlunar's. Look, answer desk rates. This is a white elephant gift. You know, nothing crazy here. Just a little stand that you can put on your desk like this. It's acrylic. It's basically just plastic. Nothing crazy. I think it's kind of funny. As you can see there. Answer $1. Answer which require thought $2. Correct answers 4. Dumb looks are free. I mean, just kind of a funny thing to put on a desk or give away. It's not very expensive. People seem to be pretty happy with these. 4.8 stars and sold 300 of these last month, October 2025. And I'm assuming this month will be even more with Christmas and Christmas parties and stuff like that. You know, just manage your expectations. It's not very big. Here's my hand. So you can see that. If you want to see it next to a controller, here's a controller. So you can see it's not a very big item, but it is definitely cute. I think people will get a laugh out of it. Just put it on your desk. And if it falls off, it's a hard enough plastic. It bends a little bit, but you could fall off. I don't think this is going to break or anything like that. So if you're looking for something kind of fun, funny, just to give a worker, or you're going to have a white elephant party that you need a gift for, this could be the thing for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.